Hi again, welcome to Matt Bayersky YouTube channel. Okay, okay. Sorry, I've just received a message as I'm speaking to you. I'm just trying to look at the message. Okay, so again, we've listened to you. There's another special offer on, and it's called the Immune Boosting Kit. So you'll find it underneath here, the link below. What does it comprise of? It is 3 bags of beautiful sage. My beautiful cleansing oil, one of my first oils, beautiful cleansing oil to cleanse the back, cleanse the front, clear negative energy. Fantastic. Only a few drops is needed. Awakening oil, fantastic to awaken your senses, awaken you, fresh. You feel good. You see things more than you've seen them. You meditate with it. You do psychic work with it. Any kind of breathing exercises, any kind of mantra, anything that you feel that you want to connect with. This is fantastic. Rub it on the pineal, rub it on the temples, back of the neck, fantastic. A little bit on the heart, brilliant oil, fantastic. And then the purifying oil, obviously to purify the body after you've done a cleansing with the sage, which is ultimately what it's all about. Then you put this purifying oil. Now again, purifying oil is specifically targeted to the place where you feel mostly you need it, so you have to attune to yourself. I mean, if you struggle to attune to yourself, there's PowerPoints are always brilliant. So, you know, when you purifying the mind, purifying the pineal gland, purifying the throat, you know, going down to the heart, purifying the heart, the stomach, purifying the stomach, you know, the back, your spine, purifying it, cleansing, clearing it, purifying. So again, all of these oils should be taken in stages, so you can do it through the day, or even one day you just work on purifying, one day you work on awakening, one day you work on cleansing. So you can split it into three parts of the days. That's what I do. Through the day I use nearly all my oils, depending on what I'm doing and what crystal I'm working on. So it's very specific to what I feel. So if I'm working with a bunch of 10 crystals, and I think, okay, I want to put cleansing into these crystals, protection into these crystals, I'll take the abundance and I'll take the cleansing oil and I'll work with the oils where I feel, and then I'll sit down and attune to that energy. So again, just a reminder, this is an immune booster kit. It boosts your immune system. Why? Because you're cleansing negative energy. You're awakening your third eye, and you're also purifying your body. Sages are fantastic. 100% cleanser of both inside and out, and you can even take a little bit of this sage and put it into a tea and drink it, so cleanse and purify inside as well. Fantastic. So the normal price for this is 140. The girls have come up with a great price. Fantastic. That is including DHL, which normally costs anywhere between 28 to like 40. So that's included. So it should come to you throughout the whole of the world in a few days. And we're going to do that for 80. So there you go. It's like a lovely gift. So I hope you enjoy that and appreciate it. It's while stocks last. We have 1 bag of sage left that we're working on. So I'm working on. And once that's gone, then everything's gone. It's no more. Okay. So please enjoy it. It's there as a gift. And I think it's a great value. My oils last for ages. You only need a few drops. Okay. That's it. There you go. I'm still here. Just joking. I'm still here. I'm still here.